You'll now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Yes. I have visited. I have visited many art exhibitions before the pandemic. There is a pandemic situation nowadays. Before pandemic, I have visited the art exhibition at Alhambra Art Council. There are many paintings and many paintings of village life there, and I used to see many paintings before. That's why I liked the paintings. Next move on, I I saw many calligraphic paintings that were designed by the Asad, the one of the popular artists of our country. That looked very fascinating and very loving. Uh,
Okay, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 3. Do you like art?
yes, indeed. It depends on the situation and depends on the person. Yes, I like art of various kinds, just like flowers and exhibition there. Whenever I visited the exhibition where it will be held, I used to go there.
Okay, do you think art classes are necessary?
I don't think so. I don't think so. These are necessary for every person. Every person has their own choices to see what has been going on the exhibition and the art.
Okay.
The art.
What kind of paintings do people in your country like?
Well, there are many paintings that people like. It depends on the situation and the people and the taste of the people they like. Most people like calligraphic paintings. Most people like the wall hangings where many of the situations have been presented.
Okay, all right. Thank you very much. That's the end of your IELTS
Thank you,
speaking
sir.
test. Thank you.